Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 Supercrew Limited Edition. It's Tuxedo Black in exterior color, powered by the sought-after 6.2-liter V8 gasoline engine paired to a four-wheel drive system and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Just under 93,000 kilometers on the odometer. This model is packed with a ton of great features. It is accented with a chrome-accented limited grille, body-colored grille surround, equipped with projection-style HID headlamps, a pair of halogen fog lamps, and a set of chrome-wrapped tow recovery hooks. This model has a 22-inch limited edition alloy wheels, wrapped in a Bridgestone tire. We have heavy-duty mud flaps, power deployable running boards, body-colored mirror caps and door handles. Inside, limited badging. We have privacy-tinted rear windows, an overhead moonroof, and 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers. The Limited offers a chrome tailgate handle and a body-colored rear bumper. It has rear park sensors, a rear tailgate step, a manual locking tailgate, and a heavy-duty trailer tow package with 7 and 4-pin electrical. It has a roll-up tonneau cover and a spray-in box liner. Inside we have power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Power seats with memory positioning. We have cruise control, media center controls. We have an odometer reading at 92,926. We have a Ford factory remote start, a My Ford Touch touchscreen with navigation, Bluetooth phone, heated and cooled seat controls, a backup camera. We have electronic shifting four-wheel drive, a trailer backup system, dual climate control zones, and air conditioning, a 12-volt power supply, and another glove box for additional storage. Overhead, we have an auto-dimming rearview mirror, map lighting, a place to store your glasses, and the set of universal garage door openers, as well as the controls for the power moonroof. The Limited comes with a Marina blue interior leather seating for 5, limited badging, a center armrest placard with the VIN number. The second row offers the heated seats, the Marina blue leather, a 60-40 split, and a fold-down available armrest. Equipped with the features you want and the luxury you deserve, the Limited is ready to check off everything on your wish list. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.